These lights adapt throughout the course of the day to make sure that whatever that game time is, that the players are ready to play. Earlier in the day when they're getting ready to play and we want them to get kind of amped up and have their bodies ready to perform, it boosts lighting in there so that way they know that, hey, it's game time. And then at the end of the day, once they come in off the field, they have a little toned down dim to them that allows them to tell the body it's time to start recovering, resting, and getting ready for the next day. The tricky thing within sports is there's a night game followed by a day game, followed by road trips. So what we're trying to really do is balance how to implement that the most to allow the players to perform at that peak level. Any little edge that we can get to help the guys, because if you're not on the field, you can't perform. We're just trying to keep them on the field as long as, as many games as we can, and those extra at bats hopefully accrue into better performance for the team. They're one of the first to market as far as sports, and they do a great job partnering with us and very into building their brand and being able to expand. And we have a pretty good Philadelphia-based representation with the Flyers and the Philadelphia Union also being with them. So we've been able to talk to other teams, and it's a very solid company, and we're excited with what they can offer us. Players are investing in it, our staff is investing in it. It's up to us to just make sure that we're picking the right products and things to get a holistic look at how a player could perform the best.